Yo, I still haven't made my main video for today as far as like referring to where we're at in the potential bear trap with AMC and everything, but I just wanted to point this out because I just happened to like draw a few trend lines to see where I was at with long-term analysis. And I noticed this weird pattern of behavior. And I mean, this might have nothing to it or something like that, but I noticed that within each like within each move, you can put these where I have these yellow lines, these kind of upward momentum moves, and then you have like points of kind of like significance along them. So this one started in January at this green circle, and you can see here that it was being used as resistance initially, and then it became support before a blast off. And then when the price came back down, it began to ride this trend line, and then it was basically the point where the price was determined to go lower again. And then you go back into a similar zone here where you're fighting for it as resistance. Boom, you get it, you claim it as support, and then maybe you dip back down under. But then it's kind of the confirmation of like when you get that first really big move to the upside that kind of triggers the ascension. And then similarly to the move over here on your correction, there's this struggle here, and you can see this is when your confirmed big red candle sends you down, and then you come back up, you test it, and it's used as resistance again, and then it kind of continues to send us back down. And the more interesting thing about it is that if you measure from the beginning to the end, you get 102 days, trading days, and 148 regular days for the first one. And then for the second one, we'll start it here. It ends in that same sort of range, depending on how you want to draw it. But you could say that here is potentially the next top, or if it goes back up to the top trend line, 109 days. So I mean, they're just pretty similar. And I don't know if there's significance to this, or if it's something that like there's some sort of like maybe there's some sort of strategy or something that that I don't know about that would make people go, oh yeah, of course it always does that. But I just thought it was kind of weird how similar these two lines are, and this is like the second day in a row where I found this really weird similarity. If you haven't seen that video yet, I posted it yesterday, so just go check that out. And yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna go make the other video now, or at least prepare for it and then make it. But yeah, I just wanted to throw this out there while I was preparing for that video.